Hey everyone, if you want to create clean and professional project documentation without complex tools, Docsify is a great option. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Docsify for project documentation in 2026. First, create a project folder. This will store all your documentation files like setup, features, and usage guides. Next, initialize Docsify inside your folder. This automatically generates the basic structure for your documentation site. Now create Markdown files for your project. Each file represents a section like installation, features, or usage. Add your project content inside each file. This is where you explain how your project works in detail. Create a sidebar for navigation. This helps users easily move between different documentation pages. Start the local server to preview your documentation. This allows you to see changes instantly while editing. Finally, deploy your documentation using GitHub Pages. This makes your project documentation available online for everyone to access. So yeah, that's how you use Docsify for project documentation. Follow each step carefully and you can build clean and professional docs in just a few minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone.